So let's talk about charging your swivel. And to charge your swivel, first you want to make sure that you have your marker placed back into the swivel base. And you can see there's these 4 prongs back here. Just make sure that they line up with the 4 prongs on your marker. So you just slide that in, push it down, and this will be good to go. Now that will help with charging your marker once you plug in your swivel base. The way you plug in your swivel base, at the very bottom, if you look around, you'll find these 2 ports here. The USB port has no purpose right now. Supposedly that's a feature that's coming in the future. But this other port is what matters. So I'm going to pull my power cord from over here. And here's the power cord that came with the swivel. So you just plug it in on the base here. And then there's a USB port on the other end, which your swivel came with a charging block which has 4 ports, which we're going to use all 4 of those in this video. So there's the first one, just for charging the swivel base. Okay, how about those extra remotes? So if you have the Swivl C5 like we do, you have 4 extra remotes. These charge using these extra cables that came with the extra markers. And so they have these little headphone, they look like little headphone jack plugs. So you'll see that there's actually a port for these on the marker. So just plug those in. You can do 2 remotes on 1 cord. And then it has USB on the other side, so that means that we're going to plug it into our charging block here. Okay, and I can do that again with these other 2 markers. Okay, and how about that last port? You can actually use that to charge your iPad. So just take the lightning cable that you have for your iPad. Okay, that goes into the iPad. The other end is USB. So that plugs into the charging block here. And so now I have 4 USB ports that are used by my Swivl, extra remotes, iPad, and it only will take up 1 plug when I go to charge it. So that's pretty handy when you go to charge your Swivl. So hopefully this will help you when you go to charge your own Swivl.